Listen to me, children. Today we are going to practice voice, active voice and passive voice. I will tell you a sentence in active voice. You have to tell me, change the same sentence into passive voice. Okay? You have to tell me the sentence in passive voice, right? Are you ready? He takes coffee. He takes coffee, Narendra.
He takes coffee.
Coffee.
A coffee is taken by him.
Once again.
A coffee is
No, coffee.
Coffee is taken by him.
Him. Coffee is taken by him. Good. Very good. Very good. I play cricket. I play cricket. If you know answer, raise your hand. Right, Dhanush Raj.
Cricket is played by me.
Me. Cricket is played by me. Very good. They buy a car. They buy a car. Yes, Sunil.
A car is bought by them.
Them. Very good. A car is bought by them. Next. A cat. A cat drinks milk. A cat drinks milk. Yes.
A cat drinks milk.
Yes.
A cat.
What is the object? A cat drinks milk.
Milk is
Yes.
drunk by it.
Drunk by
It.
it or cat. You can say milk is drunk by cat. Right? Good. Very good. Next. Raju writes homework. Raju writes homework. Yes?
Homework is written by him.
Homework is written by,
Him.
you can say Raju. Once again.
Homework is written by Raju.
Raju. Right? Very good. Next. Next one is we read English. We read English. Yes, sir.
English is read by us.
Good. English is read by us. Next. Then, yes, Jaisya. She speaks English.
English is spoken by her.
Her. Good. English is spoken by her. Next. I write a letter. I write a letter. I write a letter. Think yourself. I write a letter. What about you, Likita? I write a letter. Starts with object. A letter is written by me. Good. Very good. A letter is written by me. Right.